Hello and welcome. You're tuned into the eToll-free cloud phone tutorial series. Today, we're diving into setting up your voicemail. Creating a voicemail for your cloud phone system is a straightforward process. Voicemails are automatically generated whenever an extension is created. For instance, if you add extension 1001, voicemail box 1001 should be created automatically. However, if you need a distinct voicemail box number, you must still create a similar extension regardless of its use. To know more about how to add a VoIP extension, please refer to our VoIP extension tutorial. Now that we have our custom voicemail greeting ready, it's time to upload our file. Navigate to Applications and select Voicemail. Click on Greetings. Click the Add Plus button for uploading your audio file. Please note that in uploading your custom voicemail message, it should be in a compatible MP3 or WAV format. If you wish to direct your incoming calls straight to your voicemail, here are the steps. Go to Dial Plan and select Destination. Click on the Action field and select your desired voicemail box from the drop-down menu. Click Save to finalize the setup. And just like that, we're done. You've now successfully set up your cloud phone system to direct all incoming calls to your voicemail. These settings can be adjusted at any time, allowing you to control how and when you receive your calls. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.